No care where you're down on your knees, you know. The Lord always there for you, you know. Just continue, you know.
Every morning I'm me have to wash plate. Every morning I'm me have to wash plate. Why you can't make your girl in there to wash plate, man? Sure. Every morning I'm me have to wash plate. Every single morning. And she in the house. Yo, me don't like them things here, you know. So left you say, you know. And where you come out yourself now?
What is your problem? Yeah? Mommy get a little plate them for wash and look how you operate. Like, what am I to you?
So why you can't wash the plate them too?
What you do? You for wash the plate them. You don't do
A
nothing
woman
at all.
new to this.
So what you are do here? As a man?
If you cut the yard and do them thing there, are you for wash the plate?
You know say you not like we? Because you don't want to do nothing at all in here. You is a jacket. You is not for your pitney. You need to go look for your father. I mean not like you neither.
Me not like you.
Me know why you like me. I a jacket.
Are you a jacket?
Again.
I switch your hospital, you know see that?
Or if I wash the plate them.
So what you do? Come out here to torture me? Or that you come out here to do?
Or that you call it? Torture?
Yo. I don't know where you... Yo, me gonna left this, you know. Me gonna left this a place here, you know.
And go away.
Anywhere me go. Me can't stand...
no
listen me. Me can't stand in here with you and a witch woman there, they say, you know, we say she and my mother, you know. I know my mother that, you know. A big old...
you for call my mother witch? You can't do that, you. Don't do that.
So what you try to do?
I'm not trying to do nothing, but don't call my mother a witch. How dare you?
To honor a witch, man.
How dare you? How dare you, little boy?
How we are call little boy? I'm bigger than you, you know.
You're a little boy for me.
Try to have respect. I don't tell you.
I have no respect for you.
teach you something this morning.
I have no respect for you. I don't like you. Go look for your family, them and leave we alone. Jacket.
What jacket? Yo, me can't bother with this, you know. Can't bother with this, you know. Come like them really setting up on me, you know. Them setting up on me.
Yes. Then set you upon we. Eh? What is it there, sir? Don't come when you wash the plate them and you can't done.
Try come out of my face, you know. You hear me I tell you?
Dash this in your face.
That's what.
That's what.
What you can do?
Bet. You want bet some mash up today? And make you get beaten
go
today?
Go into your witch mother, you know.
Watch me go to you.
Try go on into your witch mother.
Never tell man. Say, I come out here. And you wake me up with the water for no reason. Watch me.
Anything you want to do, you know, because she come out here so me and slap her in her face if she come out here so, you know.
So badness you deal with. Don't worry yourself. Make all ball to her. Watch.
Try come out of my face, you know.
Why? You left here.
Come out of my face.
You get put
and that you need for me. Come out of my face. Come like they say no for torture me, you know.
What's wrong with you, Kim? Jeremiah, him dash the dirty water upon me. What you say to me? The dirty water with them about there. What he's doing? Washing the dishes? Not the water, them one. Hey! Water. What the hell you saying to me? And him threw it in my face. And out there a cuss. I said, oh, we are witch. Me and you. And he said your mother is a whore. Hey! Him say a whole bad things both ways.
You see, I tell you I don't like that boy, you know. I tell you I don't like that boy, you know. I don't know why he don't go away and go and look for his own wordless father. Eh? His father leave him and he think he's going to come here and fight you up? Eh? Just because he knows that you're my baby? Eh? You're my princess?
He said he's bigger than me.
You wait until I see him. I'm going to lick up his face off his body.
And him push me down.
Hey! Push down my princess!
Yes.
Did he hurt you? Did he do anything to you?
Yes.
Which part of it?
Hurt.
Your back? Hey! Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. You see this evening when we cook? We're going to eat and don't give him not even a little taste of the food on his mouth.
Him not forget none.
You know he have to leave out of this place though.
Yes, man.
Both of us is going to run him out of this place anywhere he wants to go. Oh, criminal.
Like him, mommy.
I don't like him either. Just because he thinks that because he's my firstborn. He could be my firstborn. I don't like bone in him.
I'm telling you, him is not your son. And him is
I don't own him, I don't own him, and I don't even like him and his father. From day one, I don't know why he didn't follow his father when his father leave for the US.
And he make me an happy mommy.
He have to leave this place. He will not stay what I do to him. Huh? Stop the crying, my daughter. Stop the crying. Huh? You're afraid of him.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid of him.
He want kill you.
Listen to me. Anything you catch in your
hand, you kill your mommy.
Hey, my daughter. Anything you catch when he's talking to you, you slap off his head with it.
Nah,
you hear me?
I kill him first.
Yes, that's what you should. That's what you should do. Since he decided that he won't leave this place. You hear what I'm saying?
Yes, mommy.
If he think that he's coming to run your father's house, you know that he cannot stay here. I'm tired of him, oh. You know that I'm tired of his behavior.
And him did I say something about girl in the house. I don't know if I you and me myself. Him disrespectful and to me, mommy, him not love you and rate you.
Me know that boy don't love you. I know that.
You're a witch. You're a whore. And you say you have all some different pitney way you make you know.
Eh? That wicked, ugly, good for nothing Jeremiah saying all those things about me.
But yes, mommy, you tell me say him alone and my brother.
I have no more child, oh. It's both of you. I have no more child. That boy just being rude and feisty because he know that you are my little princess. Don't you see that? What you mean you're confused? Confused about that idiot outside?
Yes.
Don't let that stupid boy let you confuse, oh. You better not let that boy make you feel threatening in your father's house. This is your father's house and both of us are going to run him out. He can't stay here if that's the way he wants to think that he's a man.
May I kill him?
I will help you.
Kill him.
But you know what? We don't want to go to jail. So tell you what, we will pack up his yap and run him out.
Me
what you
no, because him can always come back from the door like we. So me have to go kill him.
Why you want to do that to your brother? Who will go to jail?
Not my brother.
He's my son in spite of all his wicked.
Him could never be your son and you talk about you like that. Hurt my heart so much. If me kill him, nobody not gonna know say me kill him, you know.
Why they not going to know?
All the man know.
Because we will be the first person that they come to.
No.
Why would you want to kill you?
And him do things a road.
How you know that?
Alright. Mommy, me the road, you know the road, mommy.
Okay, tell you what. You go up there and tell that. Go. I'm coming. I'm coming. You don't worry yourself. You know what? Let me go there to that boy.
You can better some lies she know start tell the evil woman there, you know. We can bet, you know. Make she come out of this man and see if me no lick she and her evil mama in her them face. You know, I don't mind mother that, you know. Get tired. Look how she come and fling down the plate and broke it. Sure.
Jeremiah. Oi. Hello. I'm talking to you.
What now?
What did I hear you say out here?
Where you hear me I say out here, son?
I hear you quarreling. And you're a big man.
So we had to pop up on
I am ripping up everything off of you. I said if you are quarreling about me and my princess.
Mommy told me that
you can't my princess in her face. Why did you put your hand on my princess?
You the same thump on her.
I don't have to see everything she tell me it's true because I know you are very feisty. This is what you're out here because you're washing the two little plates. You're arguing. You think you're a man? You think you're a man?
I chew your mother and me no use all me.
I chew your mother what? I chew your mother what?
Hit him! Yes! Stop! You don't like you. You want me to punch you in the face?
Me and I related. You're not my brother.
You think this house is yours? You think it's a father place?
Some brand new shirt. A grandma keep my boy my shirt because I tear my shirt, sir.
Mommy, tear it off. Mommy.
Yes!
Tear it off. Mommy.
Yes! You think you're a man? You think you're a man?
Tear it off. I make him
You think you're a man? You think you're a man? Yes! You think you're a man? You think you're a man here? Come here. You think you're a man? Shut up! You're crying. You're crying.
Take off my
Why do you see my princess? You shut up your mouth.
Take off my mother.
Just see why my father go where I left.
He has to go because he's worthless. And he leave you behind here because you're growing two little feathers. You think you're a man?
What we do to deserve this?
Everything you do because you're trying to attack my princess.
Look at
you. You need to know what going on.
I don't need to know everything she said. It's true. Everything she said to me, it's true. You think it's your father place? It's her father place. You got to leave.
I'm a mother slippers.
Hey, you want me to rip your clothes off of you?
You don't have a slippers for yourself. Oh, Tada.
Listen to me. You better wash these dishes and be happy. You're barely catching. You're thinking, murder him. Yes. Yes, you're barely catching. Yes. Where? Yes. Where? Listen, we are.
Never left out of the yard.
What if you want to go?
Never left it up.
Yes. We want you out of here so we can get the house out for ourselves. What's the issue? Look at you. We're talking about this old clothes.
Expensive crap.
We are going to Jamrock. You cannot put out that Jamrock. You cannot tear up the clothes.
You ain't going anywhere. Did I tell you you're coming out of this house? I will use it as... You want me to use it as... You want me to use it and pop off your head? I don't want to apologize to your sister. Apologize to your sister.
I'm sorry.
If you can't
look for me.
look at her and apologize.
I'm very sorry.
You play with her again and you will see.
You do it again? You do it again?
No, I'm going to do it again.
Yes. Okay. We are going inside to sit down and relax. You're complaining about working. That's what you have to do to stay here because it's not your father's place. You hear what I say? Do you hear what I said?
Yes, Murray.
Shut up your mouth.
I'm a good, I might take off all the socks off for you.
Leave him alone.
You're good for nothing.
You're good for nothing.
See, I'm sexy, mommy.
Let him go. The next time you open your mouth in here, call the police and you say you're trying to kill us. Move away. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Go away. I'll wash the dishes.
God, my father will be done it.
You carry your down on your knees, you know. The Lord always there for you, you know. Just continue, you know, praying.
Sweet Holy Spirit.
Sweet Spirit.
When I'm down on my bending knees, me pray for my family and my enemies. Cleanse me heart, Lord, from envy and jealousy. You not stop, give your praise with sweet melodies. The devil can't keep me down, me full of energy. And if we go to hell because we love money.